Hello and welcome back to my tutorial. This is my tutorial about Numpy basic array operation. It's meaning I will show how you can multiply with Numpy arrays in a 2-dimension, in a single dimension, and a 2D dimensions arrays. I will show how you can calculate everything in overall. I will show how you can find a minimum and a maximum and something like that. It's very basic, and it's just to show you how powerful Numpy would be. So let's starting to build our array. I will say here, and let's call it 10, 50, 20, and a B Numpy array should be 25, 30 and 75. So let's print out. If we print A and we print B, you can see, whoops, sorry. You see 10, 50 and 20, 25, 50 and 75. So let's say we want to plus A and B. You can see this is the number if you plus them together. If you want use the minus, you will have the negative value. If you want to multiply them, the result, and if you want to divide them, you have to divide some of those. Other strings of it is, let's say we have in a new array, let's call it C, and we use a Numpy array again, and we have numbers. I just type something, and here we have the numbers. Let's say we want the sum of all of those numbers. I can just call it c.sum because it's already know it's a Numpy array, so I can just call this. The same I can do if I want to find the minimum. The lowest number should be 3, and hit 3. I can use max to find the maximum number. The highest number should be 932. It's correct. The funny part will be if we use a new one, make a D array. I know I removed the other one, it's just to clarify it. It's easier. Now we make a 2-dimension array in Numpy. So let's say we have here and here and here. And what we want is, we want to find the lowest value horizontal, like this should be the highest, sorry, lowest, and this is wrong. Yeah, this should be the lowest, this should be the lowest, this should be the lowest, and this should be the lowest. What we can do is just find the minimum. And the number you see here, you can see you will press 10 one number. If you only do it in this one, it's giving the lowest number of all dimension. What we want is the lowest number in the horizontal way dimension. That's why we use this function. I can't say what its name is, and we press 0. 0 is this way, 1 is this way. So we take this, and this. If I want the other way, I take it this way. It will result 3 in output because we only have 3 rows. The other one here want to say 4 because we have 4 columns. And the nice stuff, if we take to duplicate this line to say, so we have both scenario, you can use it in max too, so we can find the maximum number of those, and you can use it on sum, so you can get the total sum on each ways. So this is a little bit about the basic operation in Numpy. And if you only want the half of the sum, you can divide it by 2. If you want to multiply by numpy and use the pi function, 3.40, and then you can do it this way. Let's do it again, get the very weird numbers. You can see, so when you have a Numpy array, you can mathematically do whatever you want very strong. So this is how you can use the basic operation in Numpy. I hope you enjoyed it, and you're very welcome to make a comments below, like it if you like it, and I hope you want to subscribe my channel to get more videos from me. Thank you, and see you next time.